There's the flags! IKEA! Ah! We made it. My measuring tape, I'm ready for anything.
Yes. Well bottle you got there.
Swell. Oh my god, someone bit my apple. What?
Oh my god, my pear.
That is a lime. Oh!
I guess she's allergic to mosquitoes or something. What a loser.
Cappuccino? Mm-hmm. Okay, we need our cappuccinos. Hi, can I please get your mom?
Loser.
3. Making chairs.
We're getting food now. So we got some meatballs.
Yum.
That's my lunch. So I got a second meal because the mac and cheese wasn't enough.
I am texting my grandma.
Wow, you light up my life.
I want one. Got some trees. We got a divot.
A dovet.
A divot.
A little bit cramped, but
It's fine.
It's really heavy. I honestly have no clue, Zoe. Let's just go. This is ridiculous. Bye, IKEA.